Welcome to your new home in sunny Port Charlotte, Florida. This beautifully updated mid-century ranch sits on a spacious corner lot with nearly a third of an acre and over 1,900 square feet of living space. Inside, you'll find 3 large bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, an open floor plan, and a family room with a built-in wet bar, perfect for entertaining or relaxing. With upgrades throughout, the modern kitchen to the tropical backyard, this home is a true oasis. Stick with me, you're gonna love what you see. Welcome in, I'm Cessna, your Southwest Florida Realtor. Now, if you're thinking about buying, selling, relocating, or investing, feel free to reach out. All my contact information is in the description below, and I'd love to chat with you. Now, another incredible feature of this home is the location. Just minutes away from the hospital, parks, pickleball courts, tons of restaurants, shopping, and so much more. It's super convenient. Make sure to stick around until the end because the primary bedroom is a game changer. It features its own kitchenette and a private entry perfect for enjoying extra space, creating a mother-in-law suite, or even renting it out for some extra income. The possibilities are endless. All right, let's dive right in. Thanks so much for joining me on this tour. This home truly has it all. Spacious living, modern upgrades, and endless possibilities with features like the primary suite, kitchenette, and private entry. Now, if you can picture yourself living here, or if you're curious about other amazing homes in Southwest Florida, let's connect. My contact information is in the description below, and I'd love to help you buy, sell, relocate, or invest. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you never miss a future tour, making realty dreams a reality here in Southwest Florida.